Stuck in the same loop, scrolling late at night, skipping workouts, eating junk again? Here's how I break any bad habit fast. Bad habits don't die, they get replaced. And the key lies in how your brain forms habits. It all starts with a loop cue: craving, response, reward. Step 1, make the cue invisible. Out of sight, out of mind. I hide my phone when I need to focus. Chips? Buried at the back of the kitchen. Hide the triggers that tempt you. Step 2, make the craving unattractive. Remind yourself of the cost. Every scroll steals tomorrow's energy. I picture how tired I'll feel if I give in, and that's usually enough. Step 3, make the response hard. Add friction. I delete the apps, lock social media, remove junk from the shelf. If it's hard to reach, I'm less likely to cave. Step 4, make the reward unsatisfying. Track the truth. I write down when I skip a workout or break a promise to myself. Holding myself accountable stings. But it works. Now flip it. Here's how I build better habits. Make the good habit obvious. Workout shoes by the bed, water bottle ready. The cue has to call me into action. Make it attractive. I pair workouts with my favorite music. Stack joy with discipline. Make it easy. 5 push-ups, not 50. Small wins matter most. Make it satisfying. I track my progress. Celebrate consistency, not perfection. You don't need a massive change, you need momentum. Replace the loop, and you replace your life. Habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Like if you're ready to break free, comment your habit to break. Subscribe for more life-changing routines.